Welcome back to the channel. If you are ever struggled with laying out widgets in Flutter and making them adjust to different screen sizes, today's video is just for you. We are diving into 4 core layouts: widgets, column, row, expanded and flexible. By the end of this video, you will not only understand how to use them, you will feel confident controlling your UI like a pro. Let's jump in. So first of all, we will talk about the column and row. So a basic thing that you need to remember always: a column arranges its children vertically from top to bottom, and a row arranges its children horizontally from left to right. So let's create one Flutter project. Okay, let's create the first Flutter project. Now what I'll do, I'll go here in the main. So here we already have, this is a by default class they give us. So what I'll do, I'll make one dot core layout. Okay, so I prefer stateless widget instead of stateful widget because it takes less memory, and it's not reactive. Like, we have to use something to make our data reactive. So let's make its name core layouts. So we will import the cappuccino. Okay, so now this class that we created we can use here. Okay, as we do not have any parameter here, so we will just remove and we will just import it. So for now what we will do, we will use the Chrome web and we will try to run this. What will happen, as we had not done anything, just placeholder is there, so it should somehow show nothing. Yeah, like this. That's great. So now what we will do is, here we will make a safe area, and then we make a scaffold, and not scaffold. Okay, so we will remove the constant, and scaffold comes from material, so we have to import that. So here it is. Now I'll try to save it. Here you can see it's showing now core layout. Now I'll tell you about the column. So just remove this and make a column here. It's automatically giving me a lot of things. I'll just remove to make you better understanding. Okay, here it is. So here is itself column do have children. Okay, so children mean we can place multiple widgets here. So here text, I can write item 1. Okay, and then I can place multiple children's. Okay, item 2, item 3, item 4. I'll just save it. Now you will see it will be top to bottom. As I told you in the start of the video, column arrange its children vertically. So here is the output. Here you can see. So one trick that I want to give you, you can use a container and use a color. That will really help you to understand where your content is going. Yeah, see, this much space it's taking, and this is how it will represent. So the next one, let's talk about now the expanded. Okay, so expanded basically takes a lot of space as compared to flexible. Okay, so okay, let's do first row, then we will move to, now you will see Control S. Now it should be from left to right. Okay, so this is how row and column works, and this much space it's taking. Okay, so now if I use the expanded, you will see it will take the all space. So how we would know like it's taking all the space? By the color, because we already applied some color here. So what I'll do first, for now I because I have to wrap each child with expanded. So I'll try to make less child. So here I will also wrap these children with, okay, so there are 1 2 3, yeah, this was right, 4, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 4. I'll save it. Now you will see what will happen. See, now it's taking all the available space, not according to the content but according to the space available within a row. Within a row, before we saw it was like, until this the content was showing, but it was taking the whole space even though there was no content. So now it's showing all the content with the proper space. Now each widget is taking its proper space. So now what we will do is, now we will try the same thing on column. Okay, so what we will do is column with expanded inside a list view, row with flexible for buttons. Okay, so now let's go to the example of expanded. See, before it was like this, now it is like this. Now you will see if I wrap this with flexible. So the main difference between expanded and flexible, it means the expanded basically takes all the space, but flexible only takes the space according to the content, but expanded do not take the space according to the content. It takes according to the overall screen availability and according to the widget. Like column had a vertical all space, so it will take all. So flexible, I'll make all. Now we will see here, this is how flexible will work. I'll make it row. See here, this is how it will work. Basically expanded forces the child to take up all the available space, and flexible lets the child take space if it wants to. So this is, thank you for watching the video. This is how it works. Today we discussed the 4 main core things that really help out us while making our structure, while making our UI responsive. So if this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Flutter tips every week. Got a layout question? Drop it in the comment. I would love to help out. Happy coding and see you in the next video. Thank you.